Whoa, hope you're doing good. Today we got a package that was sent to me from a company, TopFort, for me to review. So we'll get into this and check it out. Coming right up. Alright, well, this company TopFort reached out to me and asked me if I would like to do a review on one of their products. So let's open this up. Oh. Now this is a fishing knife, and they have three different sizes: 5-inch, 6-inch, and 7-inch. And this is their 5-inch. So, and here's their logo, if you want to see that. Now, of course, I don't have any fish right here to clean or check out. Alright, well, it looks like it has a little groove right here. There's no instructions, there's nothing really talking about it. It's the brand TopFort. Model is TF knife. It really doesn't say anything about the steel. I'll look it up on Amazon and I'll put their thing down here. Go ahead and take a look at that. Anyway, looks like it has a line cutter or rope cutter there on the back. Nice little fish scaler. It's actually a serrated edge. Huh. And then the knife blade. It feels somewhat sharp. Let's see. Somewhat. Yeah, I guess that'll do. Handle has a nice rubbery grip on it. Feels like it might be a full tang through there. I don't know for sure. It's got a nice little... I feel some vibration in there. I don't know if that's... The blade's definitely in there tight. Looks good. It has a nice place where you can put a lanyard on there, or not a lanyard, but a piece of paracord to put around your wrist so you don't accidentally drop it in the water. It's got a nice rigid plastic case for it. This would be perfect for in your tackle box. It does have a little latch right there, so when you put it on, it clips onto the knife pretty good. I would say that's a pretty good knife. For the price, it was, oh gosh, don't get me lying here, $14.99. That's not too bad of a price for a nice knife. I did read that it's stainless steel and it's got a black coating on it. It does feel pretty rigid. Probably make a good filleting knife. But for an all-around good fishing knife, I think it'll make a nice fishing knife. So anyway, there it is. That's the TopFort 5-inch fishing knife. Now I'll put a picture down here, right down here, of the other knives that they have. It'll show all three of them together. Now this one is the only one that has the line cutter built into it right there. I guess that would probably make a really good paracord cutter, to tell you the truth, because it does look pretty sharp. I don't have any paracord right here. I don't think. Oh, no, that's a lanyard. Okay. No, I don't have any paracord handy, but that does look like it'd make a good paracord cutter, and it does look like it's fairly sharp. Let's see. Yeah, not for paper though. Yep. Anyway, there's the knife by TopFort. Like I said, I'll put the listing for it right here and you can check that out. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go down, click that subscribe button, hit that little bell icon. You'll be notified next time we upload a video, which we got back-to-back videos working on here because there's something real important I want to bring you some information about. Anyway, till next time, stay prepared.